This is an acrylic vertical laptop stand. So if you are trying to store your laptop, or if you are like me and use it to connect to a monitor and you don't actually have your laptop used at the time, it's nice to be able to store it and have it to the side. So this is an acrylic one. This looks very different than the typical laptop stands that you would see, and that's exactly why I got it, because I think it's very stylish, it's sleek. They did have two other colors. There was a pink and also a black, and I had a really hard time choosing which one to get, but I went with the clear. You can see here there are bumpers that are like silicone so that it protects your laptop from any scratches and holds it in place better. So here is my MacBook. This is a 15-inch and it fits very nicely in here, and it just looks really great. It's a nice stand, and so I just tuck my computer just like this back here, and it looks organized. It looks nice. It's a very sleek design, like I said, and I just think it looks great. It's very functional, and you can't go wrong if you're looking for a stand, and just how it looks different from all the others, and it makes your workspace look really nice. So definitely check it out.